Hi everyone, it's Carol from Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis, and in today's posture breakdown, I'm going to go over triangle pose. Now you'll notice that different styles of yoga have different ways of doing triangle. I'm going to go over how we do it in our original hot yoga classes, both the original 90 and the Power 60. There is a lot going on. This is really and truly a full body workout in one posture, so let's take a look. So to begin, I'm going to take a step to the left-hand side of my mat. That way I have a nice big step that I can take to the right for this posture. Inhale, arms overhead. Right foot steps to the right, big step, 4 feet minimum. Now, if you're taller, you might need to take a bit of a larger step. So I like to look and see that my ankles are underneath my wrists, and that means I have a wide enough step for my body. Hips forward, upper body back, and then turn right foot out, parallel to the long edge of the mat. Bend the right knee and sit into the right thigh. Your goal eventually is to get the thigh parallel to the floor and knee over your ankle. Sometimes anatomy-wise that's not possible, and sometimes the knee is going to go maybe towards the middle of your foot, but what you want to avoid is pushing the knee beyond the toes. So if you have this and the knee is going beyond the toes, one, you probably don't have a wide enough step for your body, and two, you're putting all the weight into that front knee. That knee joint needs a little help. So let's take a bigger step and get the weight more evenly distributed in both legs. As you sit down, you might also notice that that back foot might feel like it's slipping out from underneath you. Think squeeze both heels together, and so you're really engaging that left inner thigh. Like I said, it's a full body workout. I'm gonna work both legs here. Now again, hips forward, upper body back. Take an inhale and move both arms same time. We get the right elbow in front of the right knee. You reach to touch the right fingertips between big and second toes, and then look up past left fingertips and really stretching arms opposite directions. Inhale to come up. Right foot turns in, left toes turn out. Now, as I do this one, I'll give you a few more tips here. As you bend the left knee, or either knee, as you're bending the knee, make sure the knee does not come forward towards the big toe side of your foot. Really press the knee out towards the pinky toe side. And again, sit down as much as you need to, noticing how the spine is straight up and down. And also, your hips don't need to be squared to the front. That when I did that, my knee popped forward, which is what I want to avoid. So again, knee is back. You might notice there's a little bit of a push forward of this hip, and that's normal. You also want to check in and make sure that back foot is not turned away, because again, that's going to make it difficult to get that hip around. So your toes might be pointing forward or even to a little bit of an angle this direction. All right, again, hips forward, upper body back. Inhale and move both arms same time. What you want to avoid is just the wrist at the knee or the shoulder to the knee, so we don't want to collapse. You notice there's a little curve there now that I've reached too far down. So keep that straight line from your head down to the right knee, rather right foot, all right? Now, also make sure there's no weight on the left elbow. Again, this is a full body workout. You hear how my breath is getting more labored. So if you're taking this rest, get it, it's a hard posture, but to get the full benefits, you have the elbow in front of the knee. You could move it. I'm gonna push the knee back with my elbow, bring right hip, top hip, down and forward, and then I'm gonna twist, watch my rib cage, up to the ceiling. Twist of the spine. I hope those tips help you the next time you're in class. Let us know if you have any questions, guys, and we'll see you next time at Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis.